Okay, so let's begin. So we need to draw three different regions of memory. So we're going to end up with a stack. We're going to have the heap, and we will have the code region of memory. And the code is further going to be split between the virtual tables, the virtual method tables, and the methods, the method implementations themselves. So let's look at the code and determine what are all of the actual methods that we have. And by the way, you can thank Dr. Bowers for the humorous aspects of this example. That was all him. So as we look through these definitions, we see that animal has two functions here, but only one of them actually has an implementation. So sleep toggle is the only method in animal that actually has an implementation. Speak is what's called an abstract method, or in C++, this would be a pure virtual method. And so there is no actual implementation for animal speak. So if you ever had an instance of animal, which you really shouldn't in this language because animal is declared to be abstract, but in any case, if you did ever have an instance of animal, you would not be able to call speak. But we do have animal sleep toggle, so that's going to be our first method. So I'm going to denote this using this notation. And just put some parentheses there just to clarify that this is a method. So this is a concrete implementation, and the code that would be in the code region would be this code right here. So this would get compiled down, and then that would be in a region of memory inside of the code region. All right, so we said that there's no implementation for speak, at least in the animal class, but when we move down to dog, we see that there is an implementation for speak there. We see that there's also an implementation for speak in cat, so we'll go ahead and add those. So we'll have dog speak, and we'll also have cat speak. And then finally, we get down to evil, which extends cat, and it has implementations for pillage and for sleep toggle. So we should add those in as well. Oops. Okay, and so that is our setup for the method region, and then next we need to set up all the virtual method tables.